Hi, today we are going to learn about how to create bleach, and you're going to need rubber gloves, 250 grams chlorine, 250 grams soda ash, 150 grams of caustic soda, and a clean jerrycan, a sieve, a funnel. So to start with, pour in 5 liters of clean water. Then we are going to go ahead and add 150 grams of caustic soda and stir gently as you add in small portions, making sure you've completely stirred it well. The next one, you're going to add 250 grams of Magadi soda and repeat the same process as you slowly turn and stir the water. Finally, we are going to add 250 grams of chlorine. So gently add your chlorine as you also gently stir, making sure all parts are mixed equally and in harmony. Then we are going to transfer the contents into another clean 5-liter jerrycan, and then we are going to let it sit for 24 hours. The reason why we let it sit for 24 hours is so that the sediments can settle at the bottom. And make sure also you've added the small bits of particles inside, so that also the reaction continues overnight. And give it a little shake also. Okay, so after 24 hours, as you can see, we have some sediments on top that are floating, but most of the sediments are at the bottom part. So we are going to sieve that out. So get ready your 5-liter jerrycan. Make sure it's clean. Put your funnel and the sieve and sieve out the contents so that you're left with the particles floating on the sieve. The next step now will be for us to test out the bleach, whether it works. So pour some on a fabric, and after a few seconds, as you can see, it has bleached and that part has turned white. Well, my hope is that you learned something today about creating your own bleach at home. Find the complete description and list of materials that I used and where to get them in Nairobi. I hope you will have more fun creating this, and I'll be sharing more videos on creating more items that you can use at home. So until next time, bye-bye.